Ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of managing a project? You're not alone. Project management is a juggling act, balancing a myriad of tasks that can often feel like spinning plates. From coordinating team members spread across different time zones to tracking the progress of each task, the challenges are numerous. The difficulty increases exponentially when striving to meet tight deadlines or when unexpected obstacles throw a wrench in the works. Miscommunication can lead to project derailment, while lack of transparency can create a fog of confusion. And let's not forget the tiresome process of constantly updating spreadsheets or the frustration of navigating through disparate systems. These challenges cry out for a solution, a tool that can simplify and automate these tasks, reducing the chaos to a manageable level. But what if there was a way to streamline all of these processes? Enter M365 COPILOT. M365 COPILOT is not just another tool. It's your assistant, your guide, co-pilot. Like the best co-pilots, it's there to support you, not to take over. COPILOT for M365 is a revolutionary application that effortlessly integrates with your existing project management tools, smoothing out the creases in your workflows. This intelligent solution is like a digital Swiss Army knife, packed with features that enhance efficiency and productivity. From project planning to task assignment, progress tracking and beyond, M365 COPILOT is designed to streamline your project management. Imagine a world where your projects run like a well-oiled machine, where every task is tracked, every deadline is met, and every team member is aligned. M365 COPILOT brings that world within your reach, simplifying the complex and bringing order to the chaos of project management. Let's take a look at how M365 COPILOT works in the real world and how project managers can make use of its ability to reduce the mundane. Consider the case of Contoso, a company that was struggling with project management. Their challenges were manifold: a lack of clear communication, inconsistent task tracking, and inefficiencies in their overall workflow. The team was often unclear about their individual roles and responsibilities, leading to missed deadlines and an overall decrease in productivity. Enter M365 COPILOT, a tool designed to streamline project management and enhance workflow efficiency-based. Contoso decided to implement this solution, integrating it seamlessly with their existing project management process. With M365 COPILOT, the company was able to centralize their communication, bringing clarity to their team's roles and responsibilities by sending out meeting minutes and summarizing meetings, allowing for project managers to concentrate on more taxing parts of the project. Allowing COPILOT to track and monitor the workload and assign tasks more efficiently, this ensured that each task was clearly defined and assigned to the right team member. In addition, M365 COPILOT also enhanced their risk assessment abilities. This capability lets project managers assess potential risks, receive suggested mitigation plans, and track ongoing issues with their projects. It uses a project's metadata, such as the project's scope, schedule, and budget, to assess risks and alert stakeholders about factors that might hinder project progress. The mitigation plan provides a set of recommended steps that project managers can use to address and minimize the identified risks. This proactive approach gives project managers the means to effectively manage and mitigate potential obstacles so that they can help the project remain on track and minimize adverse impact. But perhaps one of the most significant improvements was in their overall workflow. Project managers get AI-generated project status reports based on critical key performance indicators, KPIs, work, and financial activity that's recorded on the project. Project managers can then concentrate on crafting the narrative text by using AI-generated summaries as a starting point. Therefore, project managers can refine project-specific relevance without having to expend energy on monotonous and repetitive tasks such as data aggregation and summarization. The project status report provides valuable insights to practice leads and other leadership members to help them track progress, evaluate performance, and make informed decisions. This fostered a more productive and efficient work environment, boosting their overall productivity. Moreover, M365. Copilot's features were not just limited to task management and tracking. The tool also offered insights and analytics, allowing Contoso to make data-driven decisions. They could track their performance over time, identify trends, and implement strategies to improve their efficiency and productivity further. The result? Increased efficiency, improved productivity, and a happier team. By integrating M365 Copilot into their project management, Contoso was able to overcome their challenges and enhance their project management capabilities. And all of this was made possible thanks to the use of M365 Copilot embedded not only in the Office applications, but also in the project management workflow. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all M365 Copilot has to offer. This powerful tool has been designed with the project manager in mind, and it shows. By integrating seamlessly with your favorite project management platforms, it streamlines workflows, reducing the time spent on those mundane tasks we all dread. But it's not just about saving time. M365 Copilot fosters an environment of collaboration, bringing your team closer together, even when they're miles apart. A chat format Copilot assistant is available, where you can ask questions and get help creating task plans, risk assessments, and status reports. The Copilot assistant generates contextual answers based on user questions in the project's scope for a seamless and personalized experience. It simplifies communication, ensuring everyone stays in the loop and on track. And what about project success? Well, that's where M365 Copilot really shines. With its advanced tracking and reporting features, you can keep a close eye on the progress of your projects, making sure they stay on course and meet their goals. With M365 Copilot, you can navigate the complex world of project management with ease and efficiency,